What's up, everybody? We're out here again. Gonna do some more stuff to Rustina here. A couple days ago I posted this about my taillights. Help me decide which ones, the clear or the smoked out ones. I'm looking at the comments. Looks like most people like the clear ones. The clear ones got 1 vote more than the smoked ones. I gotta keep the distressed look going on with Rustina, so I think I'm gonna go with the smoked ones. We're also going to go ahead and add the handle to the rear trunk, and got some acrylic lacquer clear gloss. We're gonna go ahead and clear coat Rustina today. So let's do it. Smoked tail lights. Tail lights are in. Got an old fuel rail. I'm gonna weld it on here so I have a handle. Now I got a handle. Alright, roughed this down a little. I'm going to put a badge on there. I had this hybrid badge. See that? Took the high off. Took a Highlander badge. Then I'm going to flip the I and the R around. So it says Hybrid. I drive a hybrid, bro. Alright, another short one today, guys. The Big Wang Gang. Got a handle now. Fucking hi, bird. Got the car clear coated. And I think she's ready for the car show.
I don't know, unless I figure something else to add to her before then. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.